Time I introduce myself. My name is Mike. Dr. Esther Laga. And Mrs. Annalyn Cubillas. Si Engineer Jerry Domingo and Mrs. Maria Victoria Harder. Up next we have Mr. Edison Rances and Mrs. Myla Rances. Sia Soiko. Everyone looking beautiful tonight. And last but not the least, in place of Dr. Maria Corina Capuzzi is Katrina Balita. Buesa! Looking very beautiful tonight. Engineer Jesse Macagba and Dr. Maria Rosario Macagba. Thank you all so much. I'm sure we're... Architect Colleen Kate Macagba, please welcome the bride,
who's here. I see a lot of faces. Grabe, thank you for braving the Manila traffic, for braving the rain, just to be here with us. So, thank you. Let's enjoy the night.
For the bride and father dance. Palakpakan po natin sila. Palakpakan tayo for Doc Jinx. Yes, palakpakan tayo for Doc Bev this time.
And we can can feel it. Everyone feels it in the room. Hello everybody, I'm Arnett. The only daughter of Tonette and the youngest among my 3 older brothers. Since kami lang ni Mama. Pero, you and Ate Bev made it possible for me to witness this kind of love in this world, that it's possible to have that kind of love. So I am very appreciative for that. And I wouldn't ask for anybody but you para sa kuya ko. I enjoy each and every time as we bond, and I will always treasure our times. I love you both so much.
Such a sweet message.
Good evening. Para sa mga hindi ako kilala. Bakit? Kapatid ako ni Ate, hindi niyo ako kilala. Joke lang, joke. I'm Ted. Ako yung bunsong kapatid ni Ate. And let me take this opportunity to say congratulations to both my Ate Kay and my Kuya James. Let's give them a warm round of applause. Sa totoo lang, parang kahapon lang din ako sinabihan na Ate na, uy, mag-speech ka ha. Mga 2 days pala, sorry. So, kaya pagbigyan niyo ako, and I'll make this short, but hopefully soon. Si Ate Kay yung lagi kong tinatakbuhan pag may problema ako. If may problema ako sa academics, pag may sakit ako, sa love life ko, or anything nag-aalinlangan ako, si Ate Kay talaga yung dinalapit ko. Paminsan nga kapag nasa bahay lang ako, pag wala akong ginagawa, pumupunta lang ako sa kwarto niya, tapos wala lang, nagugulo lang. Kaya parang ang hirap tanggapin na magigising na lang ako ng isang araw na wala na si Ate sa bahay. Ang hirap din tanggapin na baka hanggang phone call lang kami madalas kahit na gusto ko siya makita at makatabi. Pero ngayon, kahit na ayaw ko pakawalan si Ate Kay ko, at least panatag ako kasi andyan ka naman, Kuya James. Kahit sa ngayon, na hindi ko ba katanggap-tanggap yung mga nangyayari. At least nagiginawaan ng loob ko kasi alam ko andyan ka para sa akin. Kasi kung hindi ko yan, susunduin ko siya. So, let me take this opportunity once again to say, I pray for the success of you both and the long and loving union in the years to come for you as a couple.
I think I'll have a new speech too.
Tama lang yun. Alright, the floor is yours.
Thank you. So for those who do not know me, my name is Colleen and I'm the bride's younger sister. And it is an immense honor of being her MOH today. So share ko lang, almost all my life, si Ate ang taga-final check ng mga speech ko. But for tonight, wala tayong choice. So hi Ate, you really look beautiful tonight. And I think we can all agree that she's indeed a vision of grace and elegance. Actually, when Ate asked me or assigned me to be her maid of honor, I was really happy. Pero at the same time, syempre may konting kaba and pressure pa din on my part. Kasi nga, how do you put into just a few words how important Ate is in my life? So growing up with her was like having a personal guide through life's many adventures. And of course, an instant best friend. I've been lucky enough to witness her journey from a spirited little girl into an amazing woman she is today. She is our dear little King to our relatives, Dr. Bev to her colleagues, and of course, our one and only Ate Kay to me and Ken. So marami na kami na share na memories na Ate. From all the matchy outfits when we were young, to our freshly cut baby bunot bangs made by mommy and daddy, to our simple bahay-bahayan o luto-lutuan sa attic, to surviving Manila condo life noong college, to listening to each other's rants and heartbreaks, to updating our wardrobe together, to sharing the love of UFC
banana ketchup sa lahat ng ulam. Especially sa sinigang. So sorry, weird po kami and hindi po yung sponsored. And up until now, still both discovering and enjoying our adulting lives. So through all these moments, one thing has always stood out. Ate's near presence makes me feel happy and safe. I'm really proud to call you my ate, and I've always admired your goal-oriented personality. I thank God for you, and thank you, Ate, for being my constant source of strength and inspiration in my life. Okay, and then came our groom, so Kuya Jinx. From the moment Ate Kay first told me about you, Kuya, it was very clear to me that you were something special. But at the same time, deep in my heart, gusto kong makasigurado na ikaw na ang the one niya. The one na matatanggap ko na mas magiging favorite na niya kaysa sa amin ni na Ken. And the one who will be persistent and sincere not only to Ate but also to us. And the one that will accept her and her imperfections. Then one day, gusto niya ipamit ka na sa akin. And I still remember that day. And I'm sure baka hindi niya na yung natandaan. It was December 2, 2016, 7 p.m. to 2 a.m. sa Tomas Morato. And Ken, sorry hindi ka na-invite ng first meetup. And here we are. After how many years, nagkatotoo nga. You are now my big sister's husband, and on behalf of the whole family, we welcome you officially with all our hearts. So, Kuya, I just want you to know that you married a good person. And I guarantee you that she will be a great wife to you, and for sure, a loving mother to all my future pamangkins. Sabi nga na Ken, it's hard to let go of Ate. But I know that you will take care of her. Thank you for being patient with her, lalo kapag walang tulog o gutom siya. Thank you for making her learn to love the outdoors. And thank you for not only celebrating her happy moments, but also being with her in her lowest. The way you support her and make her laugh are all testaments to the wonderful partnership you both share. So you've brought so much love into her life, and I am very, very thankful. So to the both of you, today is just the beginning of a beautiful journey. And Kuya, I hope I showed you how much I love my ate. And I know na mas madadaigan mo yun. So again, congratulations. I love you both. And I hope we all continue to have a good night. So thank you.
Thank you. That was Colleen, ladies and gentlemen. Colleen Swagger.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, parents of the bride and parents of the Tita today. Good evening po. To those who don't know me, I'm Arvin. I'm Jake's best man, and we used to be sitmates, pero ngayon we're brothers and best man. So, wala po ako speech. Kahit ni-remind ako ni Bev na mag-create ng speech while I have this tip. Pero before I start po, I haven't heard the playing of the forks. Ayan. Marinig naman po. Basta nga ba dapat? Pero yan.
Good evening, everyone. As I begin, I thank God for everything that has happened in our lives, either good or not so good. An important thing is that we're blessed we made this far to witness and experience this very special and major event in our family. Salamat din sa mga dumalo. I believe that all of you here are close to the heart of this couple, Jig and Bev. Being their good friends, colleagues, brads, classmates, and co-workers. May iba dyan ang lalayo, galing pa sa malalayong lugar. Thank you so much. As we call him, is my firstborn son. and the first grandson of my parents, and also the first pamangkin. As he became all those firsts, talagang naging role model siya, lalo na sa kanyang tatlong nakakabatang kapatid, si Chubby, Lyle, and Arden. Jiggy also stood as a father figure for them, and even took some responsibilities of a father because they grew up without one. Example. Example, when Jiggy is incoming grade 2, he was then 7.5 years old. I wasn't able to leave work, so I instructed Jiggy to enroll himself in his school, which is a public school. Knowing a public school, marami, pila yan. So, nagawa niya yun. One of the parents there told my mother, "Uy, yung ako mo, nag-enroll mag-isa. Siya lang ang bata doon." Imagine, 7.5. Pero nagawa niya yun. And after, in-enroll din niya yung kapatid niya sa private school naman. Nagawa din niya yun. So, kaya siguro, maaga nag-mature si Jiggy. Kasi siya lang ang nakagabay ko. Kaya, maaga siya naging mature, kaya naging very responsible siya and dependable. Lalo na yung mga kapatid niya. And God gave you a very remarkable woman, now as your wife. Likewise, God also gave you a wonderful family-in-law that everyone could ask for. So, parang Jess, Mare, Ken, Colleen, and the relatives. You are indeed a blessing. Jiggy continue to be a gift to everyone. Jiggy and Beb, dito lang kami. Huwag yung mayang ng tulong, ay lagi kami sa kabutihan niyo at sa kaligayahan niyo. So, I love you both. God bless you.
Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Kanina na-remind ni Mike kung hindi daw magsasalita, magbibigay ng 5,000. Kanya lang, sabi ni Bong, sana nagsabi ng maaga para nakapag-kite Gcash man lang. Kaya tuloy, pinagtutulak ni Ate Bong ngayon na nandito. So, wala kaming na-prepare na speech. Pero, ito galing sa aming kay Butura Puso. Jigs, kay kanina napakinggan ko kay Father Tope doon sa homily niya. Kasi nasanay ako sa construction kaya kanina sinabi niya haligi ng buhay. So ibabase ko ibabahagi kong sa inyong dalawa yung 5 haligi ng buhay, the 5 pillars of life. Sabi nga ni Marie Antoinette, ang family, nandyan lang kami. Pangalawa, alam ko na sa inyo lahat ito kasi nandyan, kaibigan, friends. Pangatlo, kindness. Alam ko nandyan si Jigs. Nasa inyo ito, kindness. Kabutihan. Pang-apat, honesty, katapatan. Nasa inyo din yun. Pang-5, humility. Siyempre, pagpapakumbaba. Alam ko, sa pagbubuo ng pamilya, alam ko, pag-aarugan ni Jigs. So, nagpapasalamat kami sa aking pamilya na nandyan si Jigs dumating sa buhay namin. So, itong haliging ito, sabi nga ni Father kanina, hindi tatayo, nasanay ako sa construction, hindi tatayo kung walang foundation, pundasyon. So ano yung pundasyon? Pag-ibig. Sabi ni Father kanina, love. Kasi ang pag-ibig ay Diyos. God is love. So, para madaling matandaan, sabi ko nga. Kasi itong verse na ito, ever since nung malit pa kami, ito yung madalas sambitin na versikulo. So, nakikita ito sa 1 John chapter 4, verse 8. God is love. So, yun lang, Jigs. Congratulations and best wishes. Ay, ito may pinubulong si Mami. Sabi niya, ano daw, agapan mo daw ninyo, magkaroon kami ng apo ni Tita Tonet. So again, congratulations and best wishes.
There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, Engineer Jesse Macatba, and providing a lot of moral support, Dr. Maria Rosario Macatba. There they are. Dito maraming salamat po, Engineer. And now, ladies and gentlemen.
So thank you for my new mother-in-law, my siblings-in-law. Thank you for accepting me, taking me into your family. Thank you. Thank you for Jigs' friends for sticking by him.
I share the same sentiment of my wife. Overwhelmed is an understatement. Shocked is an understatement. Thankful is an understatement. So,